Welcome back to It's Okay Garage. Today I'm going to be pulling out the fuel pump out of anywhere from an 02 to 07 WRX. This one I'm working on is a 06 WRX. Go ahead and you pull your seats out, and those are going to be a couple 14s. After that, you're going to get to a point where I'm at, so I'll show you what to do. First off, you got 4 fill-ups that you take off right there. Get this plate off. And then after that, you're going to have 8 eighths to pull off the fuel pump itself. You're also going to need a line removal tool and a flathead, so go ahead and pull the plug off, kind of tuck it back out of the way. Then with this hose clamp, go ahead and pop it off, tuck that out of the way the best you can, and then pull these fuel lines off. Come in kind of like that with your thing, and then push it this way, pop right off. Same thing on this one, push it off. Now you just push those lines out of the way the best that you can. Go ahead and come through to pop all the 8 eighths out. You got this little bracket thing that needs to come off and push back through there. Pull that out. And I think you twist it that way. Come out with it. Just gotta kind of work it out. Just like that, you got the fuel pump pulled out. Pretty easy to do. All right, we'll catch you in those next episodes or that next build series.